Hey there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to another exciting episode of today's awesome gardening hack. I'm thrilled to share a fantastic tip with you today. Today, I've got a secret weapon for you, cinnamon. Yes, you heard that right. That's right, cinnamon isn't just for your morning coffee or delicious baked goods. It has a surprising use in the garden. It's also a game changer for your seedlings. This simple spice can make a world of difference. So why should you care about this spicy hack? Let me explain. Well, April is prime time for starting seeds, but there's a sneaky villain lurking around, damping off disease. This fungal nightmare can wipe out your delicate seedlings overnight. It's a gardener's worst enemy. But don't worry, cinnamon to the rescue. Here's what you do. First, after planting your seeds, lightly sprinkle ground cinnamon over the soil surface. It's super easy. Think of it as giving your seedlings a protective shield against those nasty fungi. It's like a natural armor. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal powerhouse, and it's super affordable too. You probably already have it in your kitchen. Now, remember to reapply every few weeks or after watering to keep that protective layer intact. Consistency is key. It's an easy step that can make a big difference in the survival rate of your seedlings. Let's talk benefits. Cinnamon prevents fungal growth and protects your delicate seedlings. It's a natural barrier. It's safe for plants, pets, and even pollinators, unlike those harsh chemical fungicides. You can feel good about using it. Plus, it adds a subtle, earthy scent to your garden workspace, making it a pleasant place to be. It's a win-win. Here's a pro tip for you. Mix cinnamon into your seed starting mix for extra defense, or dust it on the seedling stems at the soil line. This ensures maximum protection. This will give them an added layer of protection right where they need it most. It's like a security blanket for your plants. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful gardening hack. A simple, natural, and effective way to give your seedlings the best chance at success this season. Your garden will thrive. So, grab that jar of cinnamon from your kitchen and head out to the garden. It's time to put this hack to the test. Your seedlings will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to a thriving garden. Happy planting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome gardening hacks. We have plenty more tips to share. See you in the next video. Until then, happy gardening!